I'm not gonna stand by.
He's one point, put a piece in your joint, gotta twist his beat, I'm spraying my joint, straight crack back, one till the pop, who know to the ramp, you know.
What's up? Oh, nothing much. Truth or dare? Can we just have a casual conversation? Boob pick? No. Booty pick? No.
Tony Tomahawk. More like phony llama cock.
Hi, welcome to our humble abode.
So son, how the school? I mean, I'm getting bullied a lot. I don't care about the bully bullshit, you dumbass. I'm talking about the report card.
Give me a boy's name that starts with the letter H. Jose.
Oh my god. जी करदा कप्तान हां दे जल संग नचने तो मेरा जी करदा कप्तान हां दे जल संग नचने तो मेरा.
Alrighty, Johnny, what's 2 + 2? 7. Nope.
Hello, did you order a pizza? No, they just requested you to come to my house to just breathe my air because that's...
He's a good kid. I'll kill you. Fuck you. They're crazy when they're teens, huh?
What you didn't think I was gonna come in this bitch trying to fuck your chick with this big ass dick? Now is you trying to fuck?
Wow, so beautiful.
Thanks.
Before you watch Space Jam. After you watch Space Jam.
I want a hug. Please, I do anything. Please, give me a hug.
Walked in